All the Ice King wants for Christmas is the love of a beautiful princess, is the warming glow of friendship.
Hello everyone, today I want to create another magic look. It's gonna be bolder, it's gonna be black and bronze. And today's look will be dedicated to my friend Clara. And I'd like to start with my essentials for beautiful, hydrated winter skin. LANCOME Genifique and NYX Ref du Mille for my lips. ESTEE LAUDER Day Wear Eye for my eyes. I lightly and gently apply the Luminous Soap Foundation by GIORGIO ARMANI and the Dior Powder Nude Skin Hair. I'll use the hyperblack Calligraphie de Chanel. I chose that one because of its creamy consistency and because of its more sultry kind of look in the end. And when I come here, I don't want to go downwards but opposite. I would like to extend upwards and create a little flick. And then try to connect it with the lower lash. And when you are here, maybe you'd like to at the same time try to smudge a little bit. By coming at the corner, you try to elongate your eye by creating a little V shape again, very lightly running through the line. I'm gonna try to recreate the same shape on the other eye. Try to keep the angle the same. I want the eyeliner more exaggerated, and here in the corner I would rather have it less pointy. Use the smudger brush underneath to soften the look, and we will definitely use a little bit of the eyeshadow to smooth out underneath the eyes. Also take a black pencil, mine will be Chanel in Nero Volcanico, and go on the waterline of the upper lash. For the waterline, I would prefer something a little bit lighter, or a softer, long-lasting pencil. Now I'm gonna take a flat brush, and use this gold color by Inglot AMC Shine 26. And next step will be just taking the blender brush, using this palette, which is the Burgundy x9 by MAC, and I want to use this color right here and go into the socket of the eye. And I'm gonna take a smaller brush and mix this color with the smoky one, and then just go here. And now I'll take this brush, the angle one, and use that same color to go underneath my eye.
All the Ice King wants for Christmas is the love of a beautiful.
I'll use another smoky eye brush and just go around. I'll again take this little brush, go on this smoky color, and just go slightly over. and then apply another layer of the eyeliner on top to remove any eyeshadow particles. Take this brush and apply the gold color here. Use this color as a pop of color in the middle of the eye, just using my finger. I'm just gonna tap it on top. Okay, general rule for black eyes or smoky eyes is, as the accent is the eyes, you use nude lipstick. Not in my case though. My motto is the more the merrier. Same as Clara's motto in buying shoes. I would like to thicken them a little bit, but only here on the top part, not below, because this way we will make our face go upwards, so it's kind of artificial lifting effect. So if you just draw a line up on top and then only highlight this part, you'll see the difference. I'm gonna enhance the color a bit with stroke moves. Try to keep it look as natural as possible. And here underneath I'll use my favorite highlighter, which is the DIORSKIN Nude Air. I like this one because it's not that shimmering, but at the same time it has a natural glow. I'm gonna curl my lashes and use the Wonder Perfect mascara by Clarins in black. Just use the brush like this and make sure you apply on the bottom lash. That instantly makes your eyes wider and more open. Okay, eyes done. And if I had slightly bigger lips, I wouldn't use the liner this time, but because my lips are super tiny teeny, then I will still use a lip liner, which is 17 number 11 brick, and outline my mouth.
All the Ice King wants for Christmas is to not feel like such a doofus. He wants to
And then I'll use the Juicy Rouge 134 and apply on top. I'll apply a little bit of the lip liner in the corner. Use this brush and the highlighter to highlight my face.
One nice thing for the Ice King. Merry Christmas, Ice King. I hope you get what you
I'll use the Tom Ford bronzer for my healthy look and to highlight the cheeks.
All the Ice King wants for Christmas is the love of a beautiful
And lastly, but certainly not the least, Too Faced Perfect Blush Sparkling Balloony. And then you can smile
but it's only because
and put that
some archaeological snafu. Now everything has gone wrong. Merry Christmas, Ice King. I hope you get what you want. You deserve one nice thing for the Ice King. Fa la la.